At the ongoing 4th China International Consumer Products Expo in the southern Chinese city of Haikou, the two-time participant German cleaning company Karcher voiced great aspiration to explore the Chinese markets via the CICPE platform.
We have now been here the second time, and this year you are standing here on our 200 square meter booth, where we showcase our latest products for consumers, which we brought exclusively here to the Hainan Expo. We are proud to be a partner, and we see a lot of potential because it gives us a chance to interact with the consumers and to get their feedbacks directly on site on our booth. Such a large consumer base you normally hardly meet, and we use this CICPE platform as a launching platform worldwide. So the CICPE has for us a really important date in our annual trade show calendar, and it has proven to give us a chance and the possibility and the platform to promote our business and our products. Well, I'm very satisfied with our sales in the first quarter. It has proven that our products, especially for example for consumers, a window vac and a steam cleaner, have sold extremely well, even record sales in the last months. So we are actually very optimistic, especially for the future.
Lasting from April 13th to 18th, the expo-themed Share Open Opportunities, Co-Create a Better Life hosts over 4,000 brands from 71 countries and regions, showcasing their novel and upmarket products for global consumers. A total of 13 German companies participated in the CICPE with various brands covering sectors of automobiles, consumer electronics, biomedicine, food and health products.